Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites, update Windows or your browser, and sign into your Microsoft account. Once done, switch to a wired Ethernet connection or a strong 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to reduce latency. Make sure Steam-like overlays and background downloads are paused so CPU and network resources free up. Then choose the initial stream quality, 720p if your network is marginal, 1080p when you have 25 plus Mbps. These first actions cut jitter and set a baseline for better cloud performance. You now tackle the middle steps that actually improve frames and input. Configure your router, enable CoS, give gaming device top priority, and, if available, reserve a local IP. Once configured, update GPU drivers and enable hardware acceleration in the browser or app to offload decoding to the GPU. Change DNS to Cloudflare or Google to shave milliseconds and stop VPNs which add hops. Finally, test stream after each change to isolate what moves the needle. This helps you converge on the ideal setup. Finish by validating performance. Run a speed test and ping your ISP edge, aiming for low latency under 50 milliseconds. You should use a wired controller or enable low-latency Bluetooth to avoid input lag, and confirm controller firmware and batteries are good. Once satisfied, lock stream quality in settings for consistency. If problems remain, power cycle your modem and router, flush the PC DNS cache, and retest. These simple resets resolve many routing and cache-related hiccups and restore smooth cloud gaming.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.